software engineer. I work in Wipro, and this is my wife.
Hi, I am Anindita. I work in L&T as a software engineer.
So Yoho designers were not only specific to the designs of the home, they were very much supportive in selection of whatever we are keeping. And they have given nice input for these things also.
Also, I want to add regarding the false ceilings, because normally everywhere we see that old traditional kind of false ceilings only. So they have suggested us of this wooden texture false ceilings, which we liked really very much.
They went for production in November, and we wanted our house to be ready in January. So Yoho was very much precise to give our house and deliver on January. So it was a nice journey of 3-4 months, and both the parties were totally involved in this.
Basically, in every home, wherever we went, every time we saw the crockery unit only in every places, but we wanted something different. So we told them about our requirements, like we need a bar cum crockery unit. So they showed us the design, and it was quite good, and we loved it.
So after a long weekdays, we spent time here in weekends.
The kind of designs we wanted, everything they has provided us according to our choice, and we are completely satisfied. And we do recommend Yoho to other people as well, those who are looking for their interior work.